The Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore collapsed after being struck by a cargo ship. It caused vehicles to fall into the water. Emergency responders are searching for at least 7 people believed to be in the water. The situation is described as a developing mass casualty event. The Singapore-flagged cargo ship, Dali, collided with the bridge while heading to Colombo, Sri Lanka. Baltimore's mayor and county executive confirmed that rescue operations are ongoing at the scene. Julian Assange awaits High Court ruling on extradition appeal to U.S. Legal battle ongoing since 2019 over espionage charges related to WikiLeaks publications. Defense argues extradition violates treaty against political offenses. U.S. claims Assange endangered lives. Win allows full appeal. Loss leaves European Court of Human Rights as last resort. Extradition could result in up to 175 years in U.S. prison for Assange. U.S. government reportedly considered plea deal for Assange. Central banks raise interest rates. This is affecting renewable energy expansion due to high initial costs. Operational costs are low post-setup, but high interest rates hinder new renewable projects. To cope with rising costs, electricity grid prices may need adjustment. Backlogs and delays in material orders and skilled engineers shortage affect the supply chain. Local opposition, like in Bavaria, impedes renewable energy project installations. This is making renewables pricier compared to wealthier nations. Despite a hip injury requiring surgery, Slater won his opening heat at the Rip Curl Pro Bells Beach. Bells Beach holds special significance for Slater, where he's won 4 titles. Slater may retire if he clinches a 5th title at Bells or the next event in Margaret River. Slater and partner Kalani Miller expect their 2nd child, marking significant life changes. Recent hip surgery, lasting over 4 hours, enabled Slater to surf, though not pain-free. Slater cherishes the emotional connection to Bells Beach and aims to enjoy potentially his last competition there. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is personally emailing AI researchers from Google's DeepMind to recruit them for Meta. Meta is offering jobs to some candidates directly, without conducting interviews. The company has relaxed its policy on not matching salaries for staff with competing job offers. Zuckerberg emphasized AI as Meta's biggest investment area in 2024, particularly in engineering and compute resources. Meta plans to own over 340,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs by the end of 2024 to train and deploy AI models. Meta released Llama 2, a mostly open-source AI model, promoting an open-source approach to AI development. This reflects Meta's strategic push to become a leading force in the AI industry. Canva acquired the Affinity suite of creative software, marking its largest acquisition to date. The deal is valued at several $100 million, with Canva's valuation at $26 billion. Canva has grown significantly, now competing with Adobe and has over 175 million users. The addition of Affinity's team and AI-powered tools aims to enhance Canva's professional offerings. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle learned about Kate Middleton's cancer diagnosis through a televised announcement. Kate disclosed her diagnosis after planned surgery, stating she is undergoing preventive chemotherapy. Limited details were provided by Kensington Palace, but they assured her confidence in recovery. Harry and Meghan were left out of prior notification, suggesting strained relations within the royal family. Despite past tensions, the Sussexes extended their support to Kate and reached out to other family members. This gesture possibly signals an opportunity for reconciliation. And Hathaway thanked Christopher Nolan for supporting her during online backlash following her 2013 Oscar win. Despite public criticism during her Les Miserables Oscar campaign, Nolan stood by her. Hathaway struggled to find roles due to concerns about her online reputation. Nolan, who previously worked with her, offered her a role in Interstellar, ignoring social media opinions. She credited Nolan in the role for helping save her career. Hathaway emphasized the importance of staying bold in the face of humiliation. She compared acting to tightrope walking, stressing the need to offer value to audiences. One dead, another injured in California mountain lion attack. Brothers, aged 21 and 18, identified in fatal Northern California mountain lion attack. Victim of Northern California mountain lion attack named Talon Brooks, 21. His brother Wyatt Brooks is recovering. Family devastated but thankful, speaks out after boys attacked by mountain lion. Park rangers caution different safety measures for encountering mountain lions compared to brown bears.
If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button or subscribe. That would really help the channel. Thank you very much.